To begin this meditation, please bring kind awareness to the positive or negative impact of any stories you believe in regarding this topic. Experience of gratitude. Your experience of gratitude. Let's begin today's meditation on gratitude by finding a posture that feels relaxed and alert. Feeling your body touch the ground or the chair or the bed, sensing the points of contact with what's underneath you. Feeling the weight of your body, noticing the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe. Dropping your shoulders, softening your hands, loosening your jaw, and relaxing the muscles of your face and around your eyes. And you can look downward or close your eyes just to limit visual distractions. And sensing into the body, maybe taking a deep breath or two, softening any tension or tightness. Now consider your experience with gratitude in terms of your health. Have you been grateful for the health of your body? Remembering that as long as we are breathing, there is more right with our health than what is wrong. What is our experience with gratitude in terms of our physical health? Our ability to move around, to digest food and water, your ability to breathe without actively trying, the ability to see, to listen, to taste, or to feel. Just noticing without judgment. Your experience with gratitude around your physical health and gratitude for being alive. And now shifting your awareness to reflecting on your experience with gratitude around relationship with others. Where has gratitude been present with relationships? And where has gratitude been unrecognized or forgotten with relationships? Who have you been most grateful for in your life? Who could you feel more grateful for if you wanted to? How would you express this gratitude? Now consider your experience with gratitude in terms of finance and money. Where has gratitude been present in terms of finance? The value that you put onto money or income or savings. Just noticing any experience you have around gratitude in terms of finance and money. Where has gratitude been present? Has gratitude been unrecognized or forgotten? Simply noticing without judgment and seeing if you can open to more gratitude around finance and money. Now consider your experience with gratitude in terms of protection. Feelings of safety, feelings of someone looking out for you. Perhaps there's a sense of community or a connection that you value in terms of protection. Where has gratitude been present in terms of protection? Has gratitude for protection been unrecognized or forgotten about? How might you feel more gratitude for a sense of protection? Notice your experience with gratitude, or noting your experience of gratitude can help us recognize where gratitude has been present and where gratitude has been unrecognized or forgotten. It's important to notice our experience with gratitude without self-judgment or self-criticism. Simply noticing our experience and seeing how we can open to more feelings of gratitude around our health, our relationships, our finances, and feelings of protection.